So I just wanted to show you how easy it is to make your own beef organ capsules. It's a big thing right now you'll see going around where there's influencers and stuff telling you that you need beef organs, and I agree, they're really good for you. But I just wanted to show you how easy it is to make your own. So this is some beef liver that I got from a local meat guy, and you'll see that it actually comes out already sliced. Most processors that I've gotten liver from before already comes out sliced, so you don't really have to slice it. But this is beef liver. You can see it's nicely thinly sliced. And all you do is you just put it on your trays. So this is a big old beef heart, and it has not been sliced up. So I just wanted to show you the way I got it. He just handed it to me, basically put it in a bag. And so I'm just going to slice it in thin slices, because the thinner your slices, obviously the quicker it's going to dehydrate. It's just real simple. You just make little slices like this and you stick them on your trays for your dehydrator. Okay, so now you can see I've got 7 trays full, except for this one's not full, of beef heart and beef liver, all in here. I've got it in my Excalibur food dehydrator, which is awesome because you can set your temperature and your time. So I'm going to do my temperature to 145, and this is kind of slow, all the way up to 145. And I'm going to set my time pretty high, just simply because I might forget it and I want to keep it going. I'd rather it get drier than less dry. I shouldn't have done that. So anyway, I meant to stop at 24 hours, but it will be done long before then. And I will show you how much it is and how much money you're saving by doing it this way after it's all done.
So here you'll see me separating the capsules into their tops and bottoms and putting them into the respective parts of the capsule machine so that I can make the capsules. You'll see how this works in just a second.
So now you're going to scoop your beef organ powder, onto the top of the capsule maker so that it falls down into half of the capsules. You're going to kind of move it around with the little card that comes with it. It's kind of like a little mini credit card or something, just to make sure that the capsules are filled up. You're going to take the tamper and you're going to mash it down to make a little bit more room. And then you're going to move the rest of the powder in just to fill them up a little bit more. Here, you can't see too good, but I am scraping off the extra back into the jar so that I don't lose it. And now you're going to put the top on top of the bottom. Makes sense, huh? And then you mash down. And you take the top off. I had forgotten to turn the little base around, so that's what just happened there. Take the top off, and then you have all your capsules. Now you're going to press down on the little white part on top, and all your capsules will fall right out. These pictures are just here to show you my little 7-year-old wanted to help me, and it is so easy to make that even she is able to help. Here's what you have after: a full quart jar of capsules and about 4 cups left of the dried beef organs. So as I record this, I actually haven't counted how many capsules are in this jar. I'm going to do that after and add it to this slide so you'll be able to see, but it took about 1.5 cups to 2 cups of dried beef organs to make this many capsules. And I have about 4 cups of dried beef organs remaining. Depending on who you get your capsules from, these capsules will run you, for 180 capsules, somewhere around $35 to $40. For this amount of powder that I have here, which was, I don't know, 6.5 or maybe 6 cups or so of powder after doing all the dehydration and grinding it up and all that, that cost me $23 and a little bit of change. I can't remember the exact amount. So $23 for about 6 cups of powdered beef organs versus $36 for just 180 capsules. So you can see, if you do the math, that doing beef organs on your own saves you a ton of money. Yes, there's some time involved, but what you couldn't hear is I was watching TV, a series that I watched with my kids while I was doing this. So I was just kind of working while I was watching TV. It wasn't a big deal at all. Hope this has helped you.